-17. I am freezing, so we're gonna do this super short, sweet. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you houses that are around $600,000 in the city of Peterborough. Let's go. To my channel, guys, I'm Carrie Brockhurst, and like I said, today we're gonna be touring what $600,000 gets you in Peterborough. So my goal for today is to actually shoot this all in one take. I'm going to make mistakes, but hey, that's the name of the game. So right now we're actually in a property that is for sale in the city of Peterborough. We are very close to the hospital, which kind of makes this property super ideal for young professionals, but not only young professionals, medical professionals, or someone who works at the hospital in Peterborough. So we actually will see a lot of nurses around here. You'll see actually a lot of doctors around here who will live in Toronto but have a secondary property because you are literally 4 minutes from the hospital.
If you are looking for a real estate agent right here in Peterborough, I get texts, calls, emails from people just like yourself watching this video. Please don't be afraid to reach out. I'm happy to help. Now let's continue on with this tour.
Anyways, let's have a look at this property. So it initially was on the market last year. I believe it was $679, and right now it's listed for $614,900. So it's come down in the market. It's a really great property. Some upgrades have been done to it. Open concept, as you can see, kind of living, dining area. They've updated the kitchen, which is really functional and kind of modern. Not kind of, it is modern. It's very bright, spacious, but good for young families or that young professional. We have 3 bedrooms down here. You have, again, your updated washroom as well. Your primary. Now, this is an older home with modern updates, so you're gonna have that older type closet, which is okay, not a big deal. Sorry, my husband's filming me and he's doing BTS, is that what it's called? BTS?
Yes.
Yeah, so his little other camera is going off. Anyways, here's a little girl's room or office space, whatever you need. And like I said, the closets are a lot smaller in here because it is an older home. But what you're buying here is location, location, location. Sorry, he's telling me to open the closet.
Well, people want to see it.
Okay, so 3 bedrooms. We can check out the basement. But I mean, we can, but there's not much to do. To see. Really great backyard, private backyard. So in these older subdivisions, again, the houses are higher value because you have larger lots. So if you're looking at a newly built home, new subdivision here in Peterborough, your lots are going to be a lot smaller. So one of the benefits of living in the older area of Peterborough is the larger lots. However, you do get older homes, but if it's something like this, it'll be updated. So now let's go look at the next property I wanted to show you. That is in East City. We're not going to be going inside it, but it's a really, again, affordable property, backs onto the Trent Canal. So anyone who's into paddleboarding or something like this, something like that might be a good option for you guys. Let's go check it out. Okay, so right now we are considered East City. The house that is right behind me here is 535 Garside. So it's for sale right now at $649. It's a 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom little bungalow, super cute property, really close to East City, all the shops, Trent University. And one of the great things about this property is that it backs onto the Trent Canal. So for any of you, what I see a lot of people moving to Peterborough is for the outdoors. So they want the city life, but with the outdoor amenities. So a property like this, you can literally pick up your paddle board and be on the canal within seconds. So another great aspect of living in Peterborough. So this is a super affordable, great property for anyone relocating, because we're in, as you can see, a quiet area. I'm standing in the middle of the road and no one is around. But also for anyone who is looking to buy a rental for their children going to Trent University, or not really Fleming, because that's on the other side of town, but again, this is close to Trent University, so another super great option for anyone looking to relocate to Peterborough.
I'm a local real estate agent, like I said, right here in the city of Peterborough, and I am happy to help you find that dream home. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Carrie Brockhurst, and I will see you next time. Ciao.